Okay, we're finding an angle measure again. So that means, since we're finding the angle measure, we use the second button on the calculator, right? So from the viewpoint of that angle, this is the opposite side. From opposite the right angle, that will always be the hypotenuse. That leaves this is the adjacent. Well, the information we're given is opposite and adjacent. That would be tangent. So tangent of that theta, I'm going to leave some room, is 12 opposite over adjacent. Well, to get theta by itself, we're going to take the arc tangent of both sides, and that will leave theta. So the measure of angle theta is second tangent 12 divide 13, and it says round to the nearest tenth. And don't forget the degree symbols. So the calculator screen says this is the nearest tenth. 0 will not cause the 7 to round up. So we're going to say, we're rounding, so we're going to say about 42.7 degrees. Are all of these? Okay. Now we have one with the hypotenuse. So now we have one other than tangent. So from the viewpoint of this angle, this is the opposite. This is hypotenuse, because it's across from the right angle. Well, that is sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to take inverse sine, or arc sine. So we'll take arc sine of the other side. So it's opposite over hypotenuse. Now, you don't even have to reduce that, because remember, we're not looking for this fraction. That's just the information they give us. You can type that in. Those cancel, leaving the theta. So you just don't have to do that extra step. So we're going to type the second button, sine, and then 7 divide 14, close parentheses, enter. This one is exactly 30 degrees. Oh, look at that, makes sense. 7 is 1/2 of the other side. And if you look at the 30-degree angle on your unit circle, the y value, which happens to be the sine value, is 1/2 when you have a 30-degree angle. All right, let's do another one of those. So from the viewpoint of this angle, all right, it looks like we have opposite and adjacent. That's tangent. I'll put this information up here. So opposite over adjacent. Leave some room. So opposite is 13, adjacent is 11, and then you're going to take the arc tangent of both sides. Theta is equal, so second tangent, 13 divide 11, close parentheses. And the calculator says this. 6 will cause that 7 to round up. So about 49.8 degrees. All right. So hopefully you've had some time to practice at least one of each type on your own. That's it for today.